Life is a journey, it's a long race. I promise mama I won't bring disgrace. So I pick up the broom, start to sweep my place. Had to clean up my life, had to fix my ways.
Too hard to hate, hey, I don't give it no space. Cause God sent me here just to finish this race. People switched up, I had to let them go. Too much fake love, had to move solo. Now I walk steady, I don't move for show. Everything I do, yeah, I do it for growth. I remember days I ain't have no hope. Now I see clear, I can finally cope. Every scar I got, yeah, it helped me grow. Now I thank God for the pain I know.
Life is a journey, it's a long race. I promise mama I won't bring disgrace. So I pick up the broom, start to sweep my place. Had to clean up my life, had to fix my ways.
Too hard to hate, hey, I don't give it no space. Cause God sent me here.
Hiyo mawe kubwa kubwa inakuwa inafanywa anje, inakrakiwa yani to form the soil particles on the ground. So there are things that are factors that affect withering. One of the factor is wind. So kuna factors. So one of the factors is wind. That is one of the factors of affecting withering. Kuna water. So wind is whereby hiyo upepo inakunja inafanya hiyo mawe ina roll. It rolls, then it starts to wither. To wither I mean kucrack, inaanza kucrack to form the soil particles. So kuna the water, wind water, kuna nini, ice. There are many factors that affect withering. Na pia so they are divided into kuna physical withering, chemical withering, and ndio hii tumeulizwa hapa sasa. So which are these processes of chemical withering? So the first one is carbonation, which is this one, carbonation. Kuna hydration, kuna oxidation, hydrolysis, and solution. Those are some of the factors of chemical withering. The next question, explain how carbonation leads to withering of limestone rocks. This is how it goes like, the rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and decaying organic matter to form weak carbonic acid, which the symbol is this one. The carbonic acid reacts chemically with calcium carbonate in limestone rocks. The reaction process produces calcium bicarbonate, which is soluble and is carried away in solution, causing the rock to disintegrate or to dissolve. So during the carbonation process, the one that is involved there is the CO2 or the carbon dioxide. The rainwater absorbs the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So where do we get the carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide, so we can get from the exhaust of cars. Hizo magari zikitoa hiyo, the smoke is in form of carbon dioxide. And also we as human beings, we remove the carbon or we exhale the carbon dioxide which is released into the atmosphere. And this is one of the reasons why. Moving on to the next part. Describe how convectional rainfall occurs with a diagram. The diagram. So here I don't have. So this is how the convectional rainfall occurs. So how does the convectional rainfall occur? So convectional rainfall is not relief rainfall. Unaona, nienda nikachora relief rainfall and I got my mark as 0. So I don't recommend you to draw like this one. Let me show you how convectional rainfall looks like. So convectional rainfall the sun or solar radiation hitting ground surface shown. Rising warm air column, convection current rainbow. Diagram must be rainbowed. Unrainbowed diagram is 0 marks. So you must rainbow your diagram to get the 3 marks. The sun hits the ground surface intensely, especially in the afternoon. The ground hits the air above it. Warm air becomes less dense and rises rapidly as a convection current. Rising air cools to dew point. Water vapor condenses to form a cumulonimbus clouds. Other condensation causes heavy precipitation or heavy rainfall, often accompanied by thunder and lightning. So, hii convectional rainfall, there is no mountain. Hakuna kuchora mlima. Ukichora mlima, hiyo ni definitely wrong. In geography, you must write what is the correct answers. Let's move on to the next part. Give 2 reasons why wind signs of mountains receive more rainfall than leeward signs. So on a mountain there is the leeward sign and the windward sign. So this leeward wind and sign. You have been told to explain why the windward signs of mountains receive more rainfall than the leeward signs. So this are the points. On the windward side, moist air is forced to rise, cooling and condensing to form clouds and precipitation, while on the leeward side, air descends and warms up, or also known as adiabatic warming, reducing its moisture holding capacity, inhibiting condensation. The windward side faces the prevailing moisture-laden winds. The leeward side is sheltered from these winds. So pale kwa leeward side, unajua kama ni Mount Kenya, kuna leeward side na ndiko pastoralism inaoka. Hiyo place inakuanga dry. So unapata kuna wakina Mandesa, lakini on the windward side ndiko tunapata kuna dairy farming, where also kuna the forest, kuna agricultural